Continuing in Hong Kong, let's talk a little bit more about blockchain gaps. This starting point isn't so much maybe about a gap as it is no value add necessarily from blockchain. Blockchain doesn't really tell you what to record. A little bit in a certain sense, it's a little bit like giving you a blank sheet of paper and that being the hardest part of defining a contract. The thing that's expensive about defining a contract is what words to put down on the paper, not the creation of the paper. This process, though, it's not a value add, but it comes around to being a problem when it comes to reporting. Reporting processes depend upon consistency of file structures and data structures. You want to accumulate, when you analyze your own finances, you want to accumulate by categories, by accounts, and by dates, and by people's names and locations. Those kinds of things require consistent attribution, consistent structure in the data. Blockchain, in a certain sense, can have very different data structures on all the transactions in the block. That makes for a more difficult reporting process. Reporting isn't really facilitated by blockchain in very many ways. It's a difficult thing to do. The data has to be copied elsewhere, made another copy of the data instead of a shared ledger environment. It's propagated to data warehouses and other reporting tools that begin to drift in terms of their values, working against the objectives of blockchain. Blockchain really doesn't facilitate reporting processes very well at all.